Hi. Today I wanted to talk to you about our RA14, and that is a basket kit. And this is the kit right here. Now this is for our open trailers, and most open trailers, landscape trailers, do have the side rail that goes around like this, and most of them are 6.5 feet wide, which is exactly what this kit is made for. Now, this kit does come with this kit, and this will extend it out, or in for that matter, if your trailer is a little bigger than 6.5 feet or a little smaller than 6.5 feet. So that comes with it. This particular kit here, this is a spacer kit. This can be ordered, and this would go under the legs, bringing this unit up by about 3 inches. That might be necessary for certain equipment where they're a little taller and you want to get it to roll under the cage. So that's available as a separate kit. Now, this can hold pretty much anything. Grass catchers, sprayers, gas cans. Gas cans are a very popular use for it. Now, it does come the way it is right now with an open top, but you can get a lid kit, RA14L, that would be the part number, and that would be a 2-part lid kit, so you can open up one half, the other half, or both halves. It is lockable, the lid kit, and in certain areas, it's required for gasoline. You want to check your local ordinance. Very popular kit, great way to deal with storage issues on an open trailer. Please go to rackmfg.com and check it out.